In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unable to open on Kindle app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you're trying to open an ebook but you are being told unable to open, there was an error opening this book, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you want to ensure that you are not connected to any VPN on your smartphone, as this might be causing Kindle app to malfunction and get this error. To ensure that you turn on your data or Wi-Fi and that you have stable internet connection and see if this error goes away. In most cases, this should be able to fix your issue. However, should this not work, then the problem most likely is with Kindle app and you need to troubleshoot your Kindle app. To do this, first go to your smartphone and look for settings. From settings, tap on apps, and under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. From the list, search for your app by name. So I'll just search for Kindle, and as you can see, here it is. Now from this app info, go to for stop app, tap on it and OK, and this will stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and final OK, and again clear all data. Once you're done, restart your smartphone and go open your Kindle app, and now at this point everything should be working fine. In most cases, this should be able to fix your issue. However, if you still experience any challenge to this point, then go to Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. Because I'm on Android, I'll go to Play Store and search for Kindle, and here we want to check and see if we have any update. Should you find there is an update your app to the latest version to fix this error. Up to this point, if things don't still work, then the problem most likely is with Amazon Kindle app servers, meaning Kindle app has encountered a server error. For that, you need to try again after some few minutes, and now the problem should have been fixed. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.